how to make simple salad. Okay, this salad is very special to me because a friend of mine taught me how to do it. Her name is Sandy. All right, so this salad called Sandy salad. All right, because of time, I wash my lettuce. In America here we call it lettuce. I wash my lettuce right. I dry them. Because of time, I wash everything here. My hands is washed already. Okay, so let me go straight to the ingredients. The ingredients, I pack everything here. I'm in my sister's house, you can tell. I need my tomatoes, my bell pepper, I need my cheddar cheese, my spring onions is here, and the purple onions is here. And this is chicken, already cooked chicken in the bag, fully cooked with any spicy one. Let me show you the package. It's grilled chicken salad. We make it special for salad. It's grilled. Put everything that they need. A little salt, spicy garlic. Go to supermarket, buy anything. Before I make my salad, and I have egg here. Right, this salad called for egg. I have my brown mustard here. I have my organic olive oil, my black pepper here, and I have my honey, real 100% honey. So what you're gonna do with the honey, let me show you. We are going to make our own dressing. Okay, everything is washed here already. What we need is lemon. Going to use olive oil, brown mustard, and honey to be our salad dressing. Okay, so first what we are going to need is just use lemon juice. It depends how many dressing, how much people are going to eat the salad. So let's say about 4 or 3 tablespoons of lemon. I love lemon. Family chef, my favorite thing is lemon. Okay, so this lemon juice. Then we need our brown mustard. I'm making my own dressing. 1 teaspoon of brown mustard. Okay, at least tablespoon, the big one, goes with the lemon juice. I need organic, real organic oil, olive oil. About 2 tablespoons because I'm going to make a lot of salad. I told you this is my friend's son's birthday, so I'm making this salad for her. All right. Plus that, we need honey. Oh, I'm sorry. We need honey. Let me use different spoon. I don't want it dirty, but honey. 2 tablespoons of honey too. Depends how sweet you like it. 2 tablespoons. Okay. We are going to mix this together. This is going to be our dressing. Okay. People buy dressing, but I don't buy dressing more often. I make my own dressing. 2 tablespoons of organic. My God. Little pepper, black pepper. I'm not a big fan of black pepper, but if you like more, you can put more. As I said, I wash my lettuce already, so I'm going to do layer by layer. All right, let's cut the onions. Half of the onions will go in the bag, okay? This onion salad. Because it's layer by layer, I'm going to cut my tomatoes. My God! Very healthy. Spring, you gotta eat more salad. Healthy. I always say you can substitute something you salad. My friend taught me how to do it. You can see all the colors in here. If you see the food come with the colors like that, the more colors, the more healthy. Let's cut half of this too. Like I said, I washed everything already. You can tell every color goes, every color here. Alright? Like I said, layer by layer. Now let's cut the cheese. The cheese is option. Take this out. The cheese is optional. If you don't like cheese, please don't put cheese. Okay, the person who taught me how to do this salad, the rest a bit more, I'm not going to use it, the whole one in the bottom of the salad, because I told you it's layer by layer. So you can tell every layer goes, the onions go, the peppers go, the lettuce is in the bottom, the cheese. The last thing we put it on top, then they will finish the first layer is egg. Cut it the way you want it. Add the chicken. Chicken go for the last. So jealous you don't have to salad in your table. Look at this salad. And the dressing go on top of it. Okay, the onions is there, and you know I'm going to do another layer. Okay, so when I finish, I'll come back. Okay, family chef, the salad is I finished the bottom side, the first layer. Okay, so let's go to the second layer. I have my lettuce here that I washed it already, so I'm making my second layer. First layer, everything is in there. The peppers, the onions, everything is there. We are going to make the second layer. If you have a big bowl, you can make up to third layer or fourth layer. It depends how many people are eating the salad, okay? So I have my tomatoes here. The same thing I made in the first layer. Second layer is going. Okay. The onions goes. Oh my God, this salad is so amazing. I think you were home. You wish you were here. Smell this chicken, the salad, everything. It's so perfect. Remember the dressing I made? Just pour it nice. The salad, you can toss it if you want. But like I said, the bowl is too big. Alright? But you don't need to toss it because I make it layer by layer. So everything is in the top, it's in the bottom too. Make your own dressing. It's healthy. Alright? Family chef, I have my garlic bread here. Alright? It's a whole meal. You don't need any potatoes or rice to finish the salad because it's a whole meal. So you can grab your God. It's my friend's son's birthday. So this salad will go in the birthday party table. Aren't you jealous? See how it looks. It's everything. Right. And you grab your garlic bread. Put your garlic bread. Look at that. Aren't you jealous? Alright. This is the end of my video. Alright, so family chef, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more people. Thank you, everyone. I'm going to give this salad to my friend Sam's birthday. Okay? So I make my garlic bread. This is homemade garlic bread. Next time I'll bring the recipe. Alright? So thank you, everyone. This is going to the birthday party. Look at me. Birthday party. Ciao.